The American College Center for Military and Veteran Affairs' 11th Annual Military Summit and Soldier, Citizen, and Scholarship Fund Dinner commemorated the union of three fundamental pillars: the military, the financial services industry, and the nation itself. Thanks to the efforts of the college's Center for Military and Veterans Affairs and its founding partner and sponsor, Penn Mutual, this year's summit was a resounding success. The patriotic celebration not only honored our service members and their families, but raised money for scholarships to provide a pathway to a second career in financial services. The Soldier, Citizen, and Scholarship Fund Dinner featured inspiring stories from our scholarship recipients, demonstrating the impact of the Military Center's work. The highlight of the evening was the presentation of the Soldier Citizen Award to Vice Admiral James Zortman, United States Navy retired, for his honorable service to our nation and community. The Military Summit also provided professional development opportunities through educational workshops, including the Maury Stewart Lecture Series marquee speaker, economic and financial markets expert Rebecca Patterson, Optimism in Retirement with Professor Michael Finca, and the Fireside Chat on Leadership with Steve Florence and Vice Admiral Zortman. Through the generosity of sponsors and donors, our military scholars will continue to grow and thrive, supporting military families transitioning to civilian life and strengthening the future of the financial services industry. Learn more at theamericancollege.edu/military.